things aren't that simple.
What's up, people? It's been so long since I've made another video showing my face. I wanted to do a walk around of the GSF. I haven't posted anything since getting it and then installing the shift knob. I've done a few things I hope you guys enjoy. I fucking love them, but let me not keep you waiting. Let's get to it. All right, same spot where I've taped the Supra and the ISF. I had to do the same thing for this car since there's nobody up here. But as you can tell, looks a little different. So 2019 Lexus GSF. Have the full Tom's lip kit. I did FRP because I didn't want to put too much carbon fiber on it since it is the daily. Got the Novell side vents in carbon fiber. They only come carbon fiber. I could have had them painted, like for the example, on the lip kit it is Lexus Caviar. You can't really see it since there's no sun right now, but when the sun is out, it's nice and sparkly, like the color for the flare yellow. I got 19, or it's TE37SL Pressed Graphite. I've heard that these are discontinued, so they don't make this color, or they don't make the SL anymore. So I think I got the last production wheels. And then I have Tom size splitters. Specs on the wheels in the front, 19 by 9.5 plus 22 on 255/35. On the rear I have 275/35 19 on a 10.5 plus 22. Got the Tom's rear diffuser and rear add-ons. For the exhaust, I don't really like these tips. These have a mid pipe back, or catback for the Meisterschaft exhaust. I kind of prefer the circle tips, but the guy I bought them from only had the ovals, and I bought this used for good price. Love the flare yellow. Love the setup. I know I was talking about in the ISF video how I wanted to trade in those 18s for 19s. 19s on this car are mandatory. I don't know why everybody puts 20s on this car. Lowering springs. I have lowering springs on this car. So I feel like lowering springs and 19s on a stock tire size is good enough for me. The sun is out a little bit. You see the color, and then the sun is about to go away again. So again, I had the catback Meisterschaft exhaust. I have a Tom's drop and filter. Don't really have that much in the interior. ELVIN carbon fiber steering wheel used. I know, don't judge me for that. ELVIN carbon fiber shift knob, which you saw the video for. ELVIN carbon fiber armrest. And then these parts right here, these are eBay. Spent like $150 on them, and I felt like that's perfect enough for what I have inside. Now, the only thing I want to do left is the carbon fiber seat belt inserts. I don't know when I'll do that, but you know, still on the fence about selling the car. But let me do an exhaust clip. Be right back. And again, I love the rumble. All right, so I sold the LC500, trying to set up for either the GT3 or the NSX. I'm not sure which one. If I got a GT3, it would be a 991.2, and then for an NSX, it has to be 2019 plus, but not a Type S. It's a little out of the price range with today's pricing and interest rates. But as of right now, I plan on keeping the GSF unless I can get a good offer on it, which I doubt anybody's gonna want to spend the amount that I'm asking, but we'll see. If you're interested, just hit me up on Instagram, Saozyn, SAOZYN.F, Saozyn F, because I'm not really on the Saozyn _ since I sold the LC. Once I get the replacement car, then I'll be back on that profile. All right, you guys have a good day. Till next time.